I would have to say that's got to be vanilla. Pretty much straight, because then you could put anything on it and it tastes great. Hobbies, I have a bunch of them. I enjoy hunting, fishing. I'm a beekeeper, so I've gotten into that last several years. It's been great. I enjoy photography, travel, camping again, so that's been good. Bucket list item, I would like to travel down to Australia. It's just the allure of a place I haven't been. I've been to a lot of different places. That's one of the continents I would really like to see. My first car was a Mazda RX-3, a little old Mazda that I bought just before I started college, and ran it for about 4 years and ran it so hard that it decided to die on me, and that was my first car.